Hey everyone, Trollbender here with Trolls Tech. Wanted to show you how to create an ISO image that you can use in PCem. We'll do that real quick. The place you want to go to is ImgBurn.com, ImgBurn.com. Go to the downloads page and download yourself a copy from one of the mirrors. Let's get that installed. You're going to just double click on it, next through. Leave all the default settings and that should install in no time at all. Once ImgBurn is installed, you're going to go ahead and run that bad boy and you'll come up with this interesting looking graphical user interface. The only icon you'll really be interested in for the moment here is create image file from folders or files or folders. Click on that. Then you're going to use this little button here, browse for a folder. Click on that. Now browse to the folder of the information or files that you want to transfer over into PCem. For the purpose of this video, we'll use a game Need for Speed. Next, you're going to hit this icon down at the bottom to burn that folder into an ISO image. If you only choose one folder and it has a bunch of contents inside, obviously, you'll just hit yes here. That way it includes all the contents of that folder you chose. Here you can rename the image if you want. I usually try to shorten it and just hit yes there. Boom. Now it's going to burn that image. Everything is good to go. Successfully completed. We now have an image we can use in PCem. We're going to verify that that image did burn. Yep, all the contents are inside there. Wonderful. Now you're going to break out PCem, make sure your emulation is loaded and in Windows. And while you're in there, go ahead and go to CD and then load image. From there, choose the image that we just created, that ISO file, hit OK. Then in your emulation in My Computer, you'll go ahead and double click that and you should see the image you created loaded as a CD-ROM. That's simple. Open up that CD-ROM and you can copy those files or just run them from that CD-ROM ISO. It's really simple, folks. If you have questions or comments, leave them below. Copying your files to Windows is as easy as just selecting everything in the CD-ROM, hitting copy, and then finding somewhere else to paste it to on your C drive. Happy retro gaming. This has been Trollbender. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. I love you people.